How to fix Facebook Messenger something went wrong. Hello guys. So first thing you wanna do is very simple. Just go to the settings on your phone and then go to the apps manager. When you open the apps manager now, all what you have to do is very simple. Just wait a few seconds and then scroll all the way down until you find Messenger. Click on Messenger like this and then click on Force Stop. After click on force stop, now go down here into the storage. You will find this internal storage option. All what you want to do is click on clear data and clear cache. Go back again, and now all what you want to do next is very simple. Just go to the settings on your phone and then go to the wireless add networks. Enable the airplane mode for 5 seconds and after that disable it. That's it guys. Don't forget to like.